So here we are in the bustling streets of Hollywood. So the things I want to go over in this video is location and fill light. So Lila came out in a very chic look. So I wanted to use the lines of the streets to really sort of complement her outfit. And as you can see, one of the first things I chose was this black tile wall, which it just feels like sophisticated and mature, and the lines in the black wall really complement her look. We found that I wasn't getting the exact light I wanted here. So I pulled out my Profoto A1 and I am using it off camera. So I have a remote on my camera and I'm using this as a fill light off camera left. I have it dialed down to the lowest setting, which is 2.0, and it is an awesome feel for this look. Now, I've been doing this a lot lately with my street style and my weddings because the A1 off camera, as I suspected, is an awesome fill light. So this last look is my favorite, you guys. I love it. I love that she's wearing these funky Gucci teeny shoes with the leather skirt and the fun jacket. So I spotted this pink building with the green door and the red little bricks around the plants, and I love it. I feel like that personality, that building screams personality just like this outfit does. So I wanted to tell a complete story using just the front of this building. And as you can see in the photos, I used the plants as to show a point of perspective. I used the door to show more shapes as she's leaning. I have her coming out looking like she's walking out, just going on a Saturday to give it a more lifestyle feel. So I really loved this building, and I think it's really cool that, I only used just a little part, a shaded little area in front of this building to tell a complete story. So we're excited to do more street style, more fashion, and hopefully you're sharing your street style and fashion and photo shoots on the forums. Stay inspired, y'all.